I'd just like to say that thanks to Rebecca's help and to me actually sitting down and looking at this, I think I've actually come up with like.
We just need to highlight here. I'm just gonna highlight his strengths and his weaknesses. His weaknesses, he doesn't have any.
No, I.
No, he's incredibly opinionated sometimes, and but that's what makes him, I think, a good leader. His strengths are he's incredibly passionate about whatever he does, and he's a realist. He has realistic goals which can be met if people are willing to adhere to the plans that we have laid out in this campaign, and I really hope that you take this seriously, because it's not a joke. If he was 35, I would vote for him. That's the minimum age.
Oh my God.
I mean that. And please take this seriously, because we mean everything. My running mate and I are very excited.
Yes, she's my running mate. I decided to. She's that awesome that she's gonna be my running mate.
Thank you, Sean. So anyway, please vote Deegan and Chatsburg, because in fact, no, I cannot see Russia from my house. I'm not that baby.
No, but I'm gonna be completely honest. I got caught up with so much other classwork. I didn't do any of the research on other candidates, and then when you said we could nominate anybody, I said I'll just nominate myself. What? Why choose a lesser evil? Yeah, why choose a lesser evil? Just choose me. I'm just that awesome. But no, when I actually looked at the sheet, and I guess if I guess one of my major weaknesses is that I'm not able to take anything lightly. I actually wanted to. I looked at all of the things that you wanted me to address or wanted a presidential candidate to address, and I did my best to pour as much as my own beliefs and how I think they should be handled and what should be done about it, and some of Rebecca's ideas too, because I honestly, this girl's awesome. She helped me out with everything so much. I wouldn't have been able to like form a sentence out of a thought without her help. But it,
Can we put this on Facebook?
I, but yeah, I've just tried to, and I'm trying to be real here again, but I'm just saying that like everything that was on here, I did my best as much as I possibly could to articulate some kind of well thought out, constructive, realistic political solution to it at all. And closing statements, any?
Thank you for your time and your votes. Good luck and good night.